Okay, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to do Boolean search. Okay, so a lot of people came to me and told me that they don't have GSA website contact with them. So can they do contact form marketing, and can they do contact form marketing in an efficient way? Okay, so there's this something called Boolean search. Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, it shows like powered by WordPress and inverted commas plus contact us plus manifesting. So like we are instructing Google to find the websites that are powered by WordPress, that have a contact us page on them, and that are for like keywords like manifesting. You can change whatever keyword you're trying to target. Okay, so if I just copy this thing here, and like earlier I was searching for chiropractors. Okay, so like all the results that are there came up, tens of results. You can just click on individual all these pages and you can see, there are contact us pages. Okay, like name, email. You can also use some autofill settings in Chrome and fill this faster. So this gives you a very targeted websites method. This method gives you a very targeted website. So let me show you again with the different set. So I'm trying to target manifesting. Okay, websites that are powered by WordPress, that have a contact us page and are related to manifesting. So if I click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this, let us see. Oh, which one we have? Okay, now just open this one. As you can see, this has a contact us page, and right off the bat, as you can tell, this website looks old. So you can pretty much tell them, I found your website through Google and content looks really amazing, but your website is old. I can help you fix it, and just get them up on a call and sell them a service. You can do that. I usually sell Google services like Google reviews. That is much more easier. And like this again has a contact us page. Doesn't look much of a contact us page here. You can see these websites are like mostly old or not the best ones. You see get in touch, again type a name, email. So you're getting very targeted URLs by typing the search query. So this is a very efficient way if you are like without GSA website contact and you still want to do contact form marketing. This may be your best bet. Okay, using Boolean search. Let me see again. This is contact us page. What about you? I don't think so. This is a contact us page. Is it? I don't know. Now moving ahead. What about you? Not. It does have an email or send us a message here. Page does not exist. So these websites are really like not well made. So you can always sell them something like I can help you fix your website. Again, like I was searching for chiropractors, and if you want to like this is a form here. Sometimes GSA is not able to fill this type of form, so like it is very important that you are able to target these websites manually or use some Chrome autofill settings. Okay, again a website form here. Let me check. Sometimes they give the email, sometimes they give the name. Doing this manually can take time, so you can use a plugin, Chrome autofill or whatever. Just search on Chrome. There are many autofill plugins that will just fill the name, email address and just type your message. As you can see, we have got a lot of web pages that have a contact us page by using something like this. Now this does not only work for WordPress. Okay, so you can use it for Shopify also. Like if I just do it Shopify, you can get pages for that also. Alright, let me just search for Chiros, chiropractor. Okay, now we are getting some of these that are powered by Shopify. As you can see, since I search for powered by Shopify, if I click on these, contact us. Okay, again as you can see, this is again a contact form. You can just paste your message here quickly. You can get very targeted way of contacting people without going of the hassle of just searching for contact us pages across different websites you're trying to search. Just use a simple query. I'm gonna just paste this query in the description of this video, and you can also find such amazing more tricks in my course, which is AI bots course. It is currently for $99. I may increase the price soon, and in this course you'll get full access to the GSA website contact training. As a bonus you'll get Google Map data extractor and over 30,000 email swipe files. Say suppose you're trying to, like, some of the people you promote your link to using website contact form end up signing up in your email list. So I have full swipe files of 30,000 emails for different exhaustive niche that you can use, and you can just load them up in your autoresponder and just make affiliate sales from it. So this is a very simple and very like cheap course, and it's very exhaustive also. Like I don't know of any other course in the market that is in depth for this price. Okay, so you can always use this, and you will find amazing tricks like the one I told you here. You can use this trick for just doing contact form marketing if you don't have a GSA website contact. Additionally, you can use these type of search queries in your GSA website contact for different keywords, different services, and it can also give you more targeted contact form pages. Again, this is Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Pros. Thank you for watching this video.